Combiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching Combiz. Today in this video, we are going to tell you about the partnership firm registration. What is the advantage of having a partnership firm registration? What is the whole procedure that is to be followed for the partnership firm registration, and at last the documents that you will be requiring for the partnership firm registration. So let's begin the video. So before talking about in detail about the partnership firm registration, it's important for us to understand what is a partnership firm. So partnership firm is an association of two or more people who are indulged in business activities as regarded as partnership firm, or you can say that partnership firm is a well recognized business structure formed with the mutual consent of all partners for a profitable purpose. See, partnership firm registration is done under the Partnership Act 1932 with less documentation and formalities. Now, we will go through the advantages of having a partnership firm registration. Easiest business structure. When other firms require around 10 to 15 days to cover up the all formalities and documentation, but if you talk about the partnership firm registration, then it gets started when the partners are ready with the less documentation. Ease in decision making. It's easier and faster to make a decision in partnership firm registration as you don't have to follow a regulation to pass a resolution. Raising funds. Funds can be easily raised in partnership firm, and all partners are also capable of making more feasible contribution, and bank also considered partnership firm more favorable for providing loan. Easy management without any dispute. All the partners are assigned work and responsibility as per their capabilities, and a partnership deed helps to avoid any type of conflicts between the partners. So after going through the advantages, we will now talk about the documents that you will be requiring at the time of partnership firm registration. Partnership deed. Partnership deed is a kind of agreement done within the partners which define their role, responsibility, duties and share. You can also say that partnership deed helps in avoiding all type of conflict and dispute which will create a problem in future among the partners, and it's signed and created by the member of the judicial stamp paper that cost around rupees 2000. PAN card. All the designated partners of the firm has to submit their PAN card as the proof of the identity. Address proof. All the partners have to submit the copy of the address, which can be their Aadhaar card, voter ID or driving license. Office address proof. Address proof of the respective working place has to be submitted by the partners, and in case if the place is rented, then the rent agreement and apart from that NOC from the landlord have to be submitted. So once the process of documents is completed, now it's time for the registration procedure of partnership firm. Select an appropriate name for the firm that should be unique. File an application in Form 1 of partnership firm registration. Preparation of partnership deed. Partnership deed is prepared with the consent of all the partners on stamped paper, which include details of the partners and firms such as their name, address, qualification, nature of the firm or business activities involved, capital contribution made by all partners, share interest of all partners, profit loss sharing ratio among all the partners, right, duties, salaries, commission or payable amount of the partners, details of the loan provided by the partners, circumstances of proof that would be followed in case of death or retirement of any designated partner, other clause made with mutual consent of all the partner, submission of document along with the partnership deed, and verification of document and issuance of the registration certificate. So this was all about the partnership firm registration, and in case if you are also planning for a partnership firm, then you can contact Combiz, as Combiz has a dedicated team that will guide you timely. Take care and bye.